Hi guys! I'm Skylar from the Lufix Studio and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Logrido for both Mac and Windows. Today, we'll walk you through the features and functions of Logrido. Logrido comes in two versions, the Legacy version and Logrido 2.0 with future updates. For more details about each version, please visit our GitHub page, the link is in the description. If you haven't installed Logrido yet, be sure to check out our installation guide video. The link is in the description. After purchasing Logrido, you will receive a .zip file and a license key for verification. The license key will be shown after your purchase, on your purchase product page, and in your email inbox. Copy the license key, then open the Logrido extension in Adobe Illustrator by navigating to Window, Extensions, and Logrido. Enter your email address used for the purchase and paste the copied license key. Click the Continue button. If everything is correct, you will be taken to the main menu of Logrido. You can drag the Logrido panel to wherever it fits best on your screen. Let's start with Logrido version 1, the Legacy version. This one has come with one-time purchase. In this version, there are 3 main menus and 1 optional menu for generating elements according to your preferences. To generate these elements, first, select the object you want to add grids to. Ensure the object is within an artboard for proper component generation. Choose the elements you want to generate, linear grids, anchor points, or bezier handles. There is an option to simplify and duplicate your logo, which merges any overlapping anchor points and creates a gray duplicate of the selected object. Click Compose after selecting your options, and the elements will be generated automatically. Each generated element is stored in its respective layer, allowing for easy editing. You might be wondering how we can manipulate the generated elements, like to change the size or color. For example, to change the size of generated anchors and handles, select all objects within the corresponding layer by clicking these blank space next to the circle. Go to Object, transform each, or use Ctrl, Alt, Shift, D, adjust the horizontal and vertical sliders as needed and click OK. For bezier handles, manipulate the bezier sticks and handles layers separately to adjust as desired. To change colors, select the layer and double-click the fill or stroke to edit. Now let's move to version 2.0 and beyond. In this version, you'll receive future updates at a very low cost with a monthly or yearly subscription. This version includes 2 tabs, the Logo Grid tab, which now features an additional circular grid generation option, and the Clearspace tab, which provides menus for generating logo Clearspace elements commonly found in branding guidelines. First, make sure to select the object for which you need to generate each element. Let's start by trying the circular grid inside the Logo Grid tab, as well as any other elements we've explored in version 1. What makes version 2 different is that after you click the Compose button, a prompt or window will display the count of the generated elements. This helps us analyze which elements were generated and how many of each. For example, we generated 2 circular grids for our first selected object. A layer called Circular Grid will store any circular grids generated. This feature generates circles only, so if you have an oval or irregular object, it will still generate circles corresponding to the selected shape. Now let's move to the second tab, the Clearspace tab. The Clearspace tab allows you to create a clear space for your logo. Logo Clearspace ensures a buffer zone around the logo, keeping it free of other elements for better visibility and consistency. Select the object, then use the Clearspace tab to generate the Clearspace elements. This feature is especially useful for branding guidelines. For our logo mark example, we'll set the Clearspace to be half the height of the icon mark. Make sure the icon mark is in front of the word mark by selecting the icon, right-clicking, and choosing Arrange, Bring to Front. Select both the icon and the word mark, then choose the foreground object option. You can also set a custom size for the Clearspace in pixels if needed. Select the Clearspace elements to generate margin box, corner boxes, X corners, or side grids. Click Compose and your logo Clearspace will be generated, with each element stored in its corresponding layer for easy manipulation. And that's it! You've now learned how to use Logrido for creating grids and clear spaces. If you have any questions, please join our Discord channel, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more updates and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. See you next time.